All right, so here we want to find the equation of a line that goes to the point 2 comma 3 and has a slope of -2. Okay, now we don't need to graph this, but we'll just graph it just to see what this sort of looks like. So what's going on here? Well, we know that the line goes through the point 2 comma 3. Okay, so that's going to be the point right here, right? X is 2, y is 3. That is this point. Okay, so what about if the slope is -2? What does that mean? Okay, well, we can always put that over 1, so that's the rise over the run, right? The change in y over the change in x. The slope is negative, so what does that mean? It means that we can go down 2 units and to the right 1. Okay, we can go down 2 to the right 1. Remember, that also means we can go up 2 and to the left 1 as well, right? So this is the line in question. So what is the equation of this line here going to be? Is in order to get the equation of this line, we use what is called the point slope formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. And we're just going to plug in these certain values, right? We're going to plug in the value of m, the value of the point x1 and the point y1. Okay, notice that this x and this y here, right? Those are what we call they're fixed. Okay, so we don't need to plug anything in for them. Well, let's think about it. Do we know the slope? And yes, we have the slope here. And we also have the point, right? This is x1, this is y1, so we can just go ahead and plug these values into the equation as we see them. So y minus y1, but what is the y1 value here? It's 3, is equal to the slope, which is -2, times x minus x1. And what is the x1 value here? It's going to be 2. Now, usually we do leave the answer in slope-intercept form, which means we want to solve for y. So let's go ahead and distribute the right side here. We'll distribute the -2 to get something like that. And then finally, we'll add the 3 to both sides to get our final answer, right? Y is equal to -2x plus 7. And look at this, right? This is slope-intercept form. What does it mean, though? It means the slope is going to be -2, which we've already determined, right? That was given. Okay, what is b, though? What is the value of the y-intercept? And the y-intercept is 7, right? So if we drew this graph a little bit more correctly here, right, or a little bit more to scale, I guess, right, then the y-intercept, right, this line would cross the y-intercept at the point 7.